Hey there, beauties! Welcome back to Beauty Studio. I'm Chelsea, a producer here, and I had the opportunity to get my lips tattooed, and I wanted to talk to you about the experience, what it was like, and the pain level, because it was quite surprising. With a normal tattoo, they break really deep into the skin so it stays permanent. What she does is she only goes halfway with a smaller needle, and then over time it will fade so that way it looks more natural for your lips. You can still wear lipstick, you can still wear lip gloss, just a little bit of like a touch up for your lips. So I was very down to try. I decided to get my lips tattooed. I wanted to talk about my experience from a video we posted actually to Facebook called Battle of Lip Tattoos. It was myself and another model who isn't here today, so I will only be speaking on my experience, and we both got our lips tattooed to see the outcome. The process starts with her numbing. She takes a cream and rubs it around your lips, and it's supposed to numb your lips so you don't feel any pain. It did not. It was horribly painful, but more on that later. She takes these strings to make sure that the shape and design of your lips are going to be natural, it's going to look okay, so they don't start to look kind of crazy wonky. She takes a red pen and marks off where the color should be going, and then she does with white on the outside to really highlight and accentuate your lips. So now she's actually going to start tattooing. She's going to go all around your mouth to get the lines in place. I don't know why. Once she finished, I thought we were done with the tattoo. I thought it was over. I was like, this was so easy, piece of cake. That was just the beginning. Not painful, but it was the beginning. Oh, I remember it so well. She starts to take the color and she's just scratching. And the idea is that it's supposed to blend nicely, like into your lips, sort of like an ombre natural effect. And it is so horribly painful. If you guys out there do not think that this experience is painful, then you are sadly mistaken. And I really wanted to stop halfway through, but I can't because she was tattooing my face. I think the other model was also in horrible pain because I was hearing some complaining from the room. Everyone's probably asking themselves like, why do it then, Chelsea? Why do it at all? Because beauty is pain. Our lips are getting so swollen. As she goes on and she's scraping a literal, it feels like a nail across our lips. Guys, my lips are so swollen. Oh man. Here, you'll see the final product. You can see that my lips are extremely pink. So this is not going to be the final color. Your lips are going to fade over time and they will peel, so the color should turn into a more natural color. What you don't see is the fact that 3 hours later, my face ended up looking like this. It was horribly swollen. My lips were the biggest I've ever seen. I am not pursing my lips here. I don't know how I got this photo, but it was really, really funny. The swelling will go down, your lips will look nicer, the color will fade. To show you guys, actually, since I have been sitting here, the final result is this. The only thing I have on right now is chapstick. It is not colored, it is totally clear. You can see here that my lips used to blend into my face and now they have just a nice subtle pop. Lip tattooing is a great way to enhance your lips, really make them pop, make them feel fuller without actually having to go get lip fillers. It's supposed to last around 5 years, so this is definitely a decision that you will want to research before doing. I'm actually really glad I did this. I think my lips look great. They're going to keep fading over time, so they'll be even more natural. If you're afraid of needles and you don't like pain, then this probably isn't a procedure for you. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please stay tuned for the next beauty trend that we decide to try. You know I'm down for something crazy. And also please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.